What are programming paradigms?
Programming paradigms are approaches or styles for organizing and writing code. Common paradigms include procedural, object-oriented, functional, and logic programming. Each paradigm offers unique problem-solving techniques, helping developers design software in various ways. Understanding these paradigms is the first step toward making an informed choice for your project's needs.
Procedural programming, simplicity and structure.
The procedural programming focuses on step-by-step instructions and organized procedures or functions. It's ideal for tasks that involve sequential operations like data processing or scripting. Languages such as C and Python support this paradigm. Choose procedural programming when clarity, simplicity, and straightforward logic are priorities in your project.
Object-oriented programming, modularity and reuse.
Object-oriented programming structures code around objects, self-contained pieces that combine data and behavior. It excels in complex applications such as desktop software and game development, where organization and code reuse are essential. Use this paradigm when you want your code to be modular, flexible, and easier to maintain over time.
Functional programming, purity and parallelism.
Functional programming emphasizes pure functions and immutable data, making programs easier to test and reason about. It's especially helpful for tasks requiring high reliability or parallel processing, like data analysis and scientific computing. Languages like Haskell and Scala encourage this approach. Opt for functional programming when you need predictable, error-resistant software.
Choosing the best paradigm for your project.
To select the right programming paradigm, consider your project's goals, team expertise, and requirements for performance or scalability. Some projects benefit from mixing paradigms, using the strengths of each. Always match the paradigm to your problem. This ensures efficient development, clearer code, and a smoother project workflow.